Welcome to Gulf South Trading Card Company. I'm helping my brother Grant tonight with a few breaks. So we're going to do a few little small breaks tonight on some things, a few little reviews and that. The first one we have is we had a customer come in, wanted to look at some of this Super Brake product. This is a 2019 bar Pieces of the Past One-Time Sports Edition. It 20 or 30 bucks, I believe, and one sports piece of the past relic card per box. SuperBrakeSports.com. I mean, there's not much on their website, but we got a few in for him. He said we could do a review on it, so we'll open one up here and see what we get. It's supposed to be a 101. Obviously, we want the Mantle or the Maggio, so I'm sure there's some other nice ones in here. So this, again, is a break for customer Robert C. I'll tag you or get you a link sent over so you can see this. So, alright, good luck. Here we go. Piece of the Past. 1 of 1. Let's see what it is. It is in a bag. Okay. So set this over here, empty, and a little bag here. Let's see what we got. It's encased. It is a 1 of 1 Money Makers. It's an auto. So you have received a Piece of the Past relic cards. Oh, Mike Ditka. Mike Ditka. Look at that cut auto. Nice. Well, I guess it could have definitely been worse. So, Mike Ditka, 1 of 1 Money Makers. Alright, well, Robert, pretty good pull. So, yeah, I mean, I know all of them aren't going to be autos, but well, we got one. So, okay. Well, that's the end of this break. I'll be back in a little bit with another one. Alright, thank you again.